Welcome to the MGH Institute's Introduction to Creating a Reference List in the APA style. Let's start with the basics. When you use information that you've gathered from other sources, you need to acknowledge that with some sort of indication in the text. In the case of APA, that's a parenthetical citation. Each of those parenthetical citations points to a complete reference on the reference list at the end of the paper. There needs to be a one-to-one correlation. The reference list is arranged in alphabetical order by the first element of each reference, which is usually the author's name. All right, let's look at examples. So here's a journal article reference, and you can see all of its parts labeled. The authors, starting with the authors, just with their first initials, the publication year, the title of the article with only the first word capitalized, and then the first word after a colon capitalized as well. And of course, you should keep capitalization for any proper nouns and acronyms. Then comes the journal title, and this has standard title capitalization with all the major words capitalized, and you'll notice it is in italics as well. Next is the volume number, which is also in italics, so that you can differentiate it from page numbers or any other number that may appear in the reference. The issue number is that thing in parentheses. Although it isn't required, many like to include it because it makes it just a bit easier for your readers to find the article you're referencing. After that is the page range. And finally, if you retrieved the article online, you include a DOI, Digital Object Identifier, which is a unique number assigned by the publisher and only used for scholarly journals. If you can't find a DOI, substitute the website address for the article, and it would be retrieved from and then the website address. And neither the DOI, if you have a DOI or a URL, you do not put a period at the end of it. All right, let's contrast that with a book reference. Author is the same, publication year is the same. The title of the book comes next, and it is in italics, just like a journal title, but you should notice the capitalization follows the style for an article, with only the first word and the first word after a colon capitalized. The reason for this is so that you can immediately tell the difference between a journal title and a book title when you're looking at a reference. Finally comes the publisher information, starting with the location of the publisher, the city and state, a colon, and then the name of the publisher. And you should leave off superfluous words like publishers or Inc., but keep the words press and books. Of course, there are many more situations and variations on references, and it can get pretty thorny. So if you ever get stuck, here are some places to look for help. You can always, of course, ask one of us, ask a librarian, and there's a link to our form, our Ask a Librarian form from the library homepage, or you can email us directly, and we also offer chat reference, and so watch for that on the library homepage. You can also use our citation help guide linked from the library homepage, or you can go straight to the source and borrow our copy of the publication manual, which we keep on reserve in the Library and Study Commons. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope to hear from you soon.